Okay, so I ordered some pizzas from this place and some chicken tenders. That's one of the pizzas. You can tell it's got mushrooms and ham on it. And the other one is like pepperoni pizza. So let's try these out. This pizza was called Devil. It's just called Devil from this place. La Vera Pinza Romana. And it's just like, it's not exactly pepperoni, it's salami. It's like a kind of salami. But that is just like really good. Look at that. It's delicious. Chicken tenders were kind of average, but I still gave them a good review. But this pizza was incredibly good. This other pizza, basically it looks like mushrooms and cooked ham. It's pretty good looking. I'm gonna save that for later. And everything was quality sealed. There was a quality seal on it. Okay, so this is the Airbnb, St. Peter's Dream. Actually, it had to be translated from Italian to English, but it's got a bedroom. This is nice. Let me turn on the fan. Here comes the fan. Oh. European plugs. So this is nice. It's refurbished. It's got a fan underneath. It's got a TV. Window with a view. Oh, but here, let me show you the best part. Yeah, the bathroom's nice. It's got a typical Italian toilet, sink, mirrors, and a kitchen. It's got an espresso machine. And it's got plenty of that. Pasta, farina, olive oil, balsamic, coffee grounds. But here, let me show you the best part. And that's the view. Okay, so I've got groceries for the next day. I got a pizza in there and got water. I got more than 6 liters of water. I got some apples, an orange drink, San Pellegrino. They gave me this free Fanta and some 0 sugar Coca-Cola, 0 sugar Sprite, an extra Corona, and yeah, a whole pizza to eat. Although there's no microwave oven, so I'll have to have that cold. Oh, and some more apples. We got 2 packages of apples, and then 2 pack of Lay's.